Zahir Minhas has been keeping pigeons for the past 35 years, but it was his love for this bird that made him start its breeding. And he not only has the local breeds, but he has collected the various types from across the world.
फैंसी पिजन्स में मेरे पास बेसिकली 7 ब्रीड्स हैं जिसमें इंडियन फैंटेल्स हैं, इंग्लिश फैंटेल्स हैं, डिफरेंट ब्रीड्स ऑफ पॉटर्स हैं, उसके अलावा किंग हैं, जैकोबिन्स हैं, फ्रिलबैक हैं और लाहौर पिजन्स हैं।
If properly looked after and cared for, a pigeon can live for about 15 years. As passionate as Zahir is about the bird, he spends around 500 rupees on a daily basis just to make sure that his pigeons are healthy and well fed.
फीड में मैं 10-12 किस्म की डिफरेंट चीज़ें डालता हूँ जिसमें बाजरा है, मकई है, चने हैं, मुख्तलिफ दालें हैं। इसके अलावा मैं वाइटामिन्स यूज़ करता हूँ, मल्टी वाइटामिन्स। हर 15 दिन के बाद इनको डिसइंफेक्टेंट करता हूँ।
Fancy pigeon keeping is not an inexpensive hobby, but then again, if you are passionate about something, the cost seldom matters.
Zahir Minhas is breeding fancy pigeons for the past 25 years and he wants youth to adopt this hobby as pigeons are considered a symbol of peace. Umair Ali, Dawn News, Lahore.